song was a massive commercial success, spending a then record 14 weeks at #1 and was certified 4 times platinum only 2 months after its release in 1992. Number 3. Baby One More Time, Britney Spears. By the end of the 1990s, Britney Spears was just an ambitious 16-year-old former Mouseketeer in the age of pop groups like Backstreet Boys, Spice Girls, and NSYNC. But all that changed for the Princess of Pop with the release of this solo powerhouse of a song.